Hey everybody, thanks for joining our channel. So this weekend Daryl was working on the roof rack. We've decided to extend that roof rack. So we're going to make it about 8 feet long. That way it'll go from the front and the back. And our Yakima box will sit securely down in there, which will be great. Be able to put store stuff on the side, and then we'll hook the awning to the side of it. I think it'll make it a little more secure for that awning to have a longer rack to secure to. And then on the opposite side, we'll mount the kayaks. So Daryl worked really hard on this weekend, getting it all ready. I can't wait to go check it out myself in person. And maybe this weekend, our goal is to get it mounted up on the van and get the kayak mounts mounted and get the awning secure up there. So far, we are just loving this project. These are cool little side pieces. They are actually going to be across the side of the roof rack. That way when you walk up to it, you're not going to be able to see right through the bars to see what items are up in there, like if we lay shovels and stuff like that up there. So that'll be pretty cool.
Okay. So I've been playing around with this roof rack of Brenda's. And I don't know how... I tried to do some videoing while I was doing it, but then my phone died, so I charged it up. So you kind of got the gist. The steel has to be cleaned up. It's pretty rusty looking, but so essentially I'm stretching it out to 8 feet, and I kind of figured I'd put the gaps in the back in case we put a vent in the top of the fan, or the van, I'm sorry. So you kind of got a gist of what I've been doing here. This piece here, let's see if I can't do this. That piece there is going to go up on the side. I might do something with it. Maybe put some dimple die holes in it or something so it looks a little bit better. The bottom you won't be able to see it because it's going to be on top of the van, and I think it's going to have vents, or a vent coming up through it. So, but you get the gist. It's it's now longer than it was. I think it's going to be stronger than it was because that's some pretty heavy duty metal I did there. So anyway, I told Brenda I would do a little video and while I was doing this. Moving right along here, and now the awning over here will fit on there a little bit better, and then I've got to figure out how to get these kayak racks on the sides. And the toolie box will go in the middle. So you get a gist of it anyway. All right.